Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use a VLOOKUP in a Smartsheet, right? So first up, go ahead and make a sheet where your new sheet will get as a reference. For example, I'm going to go ahead over to my workspace right here. I'm going to go ahead and click on add the plus sign sheet, just a grid one. Wait for it. Now, let's say an apple cost 500, a phone cost 1,000, water cost 700, and maybe banana cost about 1.5, just for example. Now, once that's done, don't forget to hit on save. Now let's go ahead and create another sheet, for example. Okay. I'm going to rename this other sheet as a for VLOOKUP. Okay. Rename. Entitled sheet, I'm just going to keep it as is. All right. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and put under column 2. This is where we're going to find or use the VLOOKUP. Okay. Double click on a blank cell under column 2. All right. Now put in equals, type down VLOOKUP. Okay. Click on it. Now go ahead and find, as it says here, the search value. So the search value is this one. Okay. Just click on it. Now it's added. So what we're going to do here is write down comma. And then as you can see here, it needs a lookup table. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and click on reference another sheet. Okay. Now let's go ahead and find the workspace and the other sheet that we just created. Click on it. Now while it loads, I'm going to go ahead and read this one. Select columns or a cell or a range of cells from this sheet. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and select the primary column as well as the column number 2. Okay. So hold Control on your keyboard. There you go. Now go ahead and click on Insert Reference. There you go. Now move, write down comma again. And it says here it needs a column number and also a match type. So if you want to read through the argument right here, you can go ahead and do so. But by default, I would like to type down 2 and 0. Okay. Now once that's done, just go ahead and hit on Enter. Now, as you can see here, we have this little arrow key, but don't worry. That just means that VLOOKUP is now activated. So let's just go ahead and go to a primary column right here. So I'm going to go ahead and rename this one as the name or type, save. And then column 2 is the price. Okay. Now let's say I'm going to go ahead and type in from the VLOOKUP sheet. Okay. Maybe banana. I'm going to hit on enter. As you can see here, it now says 1.5 as the price. Another one may be a phone. There you go, 1K. Water. There you go. That's basically how you do it. That is how VLOOKUP works here in Smartsheet. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.